Thank you for the guide you made. It's very helpful. Question, ano po mukha nung email confirmation of the tax filing? Ito po ba yung may nakalagay na tax return receipt? Ito po yung example guys ng tax return receipt confirmation na mare-receive natin from the BIR pag nag-file po tayo ng ating income tax return. So yan po yung heading, tax return receipt confirmation. Yang BIR email confirmation lang po ang mare-receive natin from the BIR. Yung ating income tax return, tayo po mismo ang magpre-print nito sa eBIR. Ito may ginawa kong guide na pwede mong sundan kung paano ma-print ng maayos ang ating income tax return via PDF. My name is George. I'm our freelancers tax advisor at GA Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Para naman po sa DIY Guide, the ultimate DIY BIR tax compliance guide for freelancers, kompleto na po ito, BIR registration at BIR tax compliance. Exclusive po para sa freelancer. Kuha ka ng kopya sa website namin, libre lang po, thegaconsulting.com. You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.